Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into OneDrive with your Microsoft account. Make sure the OneDrive icon appears in the system tray. Once done, confirm Windows 10 updates are applied so sync behaves reliably. Now decide which folders you want backed up, typically desktop, documents, and pictures, and consider any custom folders. You're starting the process immediately. Open OneDrive settings next, and be ready to manage folder backup choices, so your files are safe and organized from the outset. You open OneDrive settings and go to the Backup tab, then click Manage Backup to enable desktop, documents, and pictures. Once enabled, OneDrive begins copying those folders into the cloud. This protects against local drive failure. Make sure Files on Demand is active to keep files online without using all your disk space, especially for large media. If you need extra folders, either move them into your OneDrive folder or add them via the app. This ensures consistent sync and a predictable backup structure. You finish by verifying sync status. Look for green checks for available local copies or blue cloud icons for online-only files, and wait for syncing arrows to stop. Next, access OneDrive online or from another device to confirm your files are present. That proves the backup worked. If something goes wrong, pause and restart OneDrive, sign out and back in, and check file permissions and available storage. Updating the OneDrive app often resolves stubborn sync errors, so try that before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.